Hello guys, so last session we saw like how to do register login and set up to use the authentication. Okay, so today's session we're going to try to do log out our cookie. So how to do log out the application. So let's before that I want to explain you something like we created the cookie. We need to identify those cookie here. Okay, the local host. So you can able to see identity dot application cookie. This is the cookie which is created by the application. Okay, so AS core identity dot application is the cookie which is holding our identity cookie. So now let's go and try the logout. So logout, how to do the logout is already we have the functions, right? So this is the logout page. So okay, so whenever we call this function, so if it user is authenticated, if already the user if a user is authenticated, then submit the form button and it will show you like click here to log out. If it is log out, then it throws a message saying that successfully log out. So let's go and try to access that page. Log out. Okay, so it's showing me like you are successfully logged out the application. Okay, this is because my schema is different. So you have to provide the schema identity dot application because it's generated different schema as we are just using the existing one that last session I just showed you. You should use the same. This is the identity dot application is what the default cookie which generated. So if you change a different cookie, it won't work actually. So let's go and rebuild the application. So please watch the previous sessions to this is a continuation of previous session. So last session like two interesting sessions like how to achieve the identity, okay, how to set up the identity projects and how to use the register login default up. So it's not like a before versions, like it won't be contains everything, so you have to include this by using scaffolding. Okay, my application is built successfully. Let's go again. Okay, cool. That application is there. Okay, cool. So let's go on. Oh yeah, so this time it is showing that yeah cookie is present and it's showing me the click here to logout button. So once I try click here logout, so now my cookie is cleared in the browser and also session is logged out. Okay, again you go and do login, identity.login. See, now my cookie is created. Okay, cool. So next session we see how to authorize the pages and other stuffs. So this is a way to achieve login logout, and also like even we can try it out this particular things. Okay, just copy and put it in our navigation. Whether our application is logged in, then it will show logout button kind of. So we can add those things in the navigation page. Sorry, just go to the name menu, and we can put it under nearby about page. So about page is placed on the, yeah, so it's in main layout, so we can keep it here. Okay, empty as, because we are trying to access outside this. Okay, and we'll keep it the form so design will not break that much. Okay, and we need to refer logout model. Okay, this is a user claim. Okay, this is something, it is there in the view imports, which we can try to get it and put it here for time being. Yep. System security claims, this supposed to be there in the system security claims. Okay, I wish just to let it be for the, for now. Okay, just will provide just a link for the logout page, so then we'll see like how we can integrate it in the coming session directly in the Razor component. Oops, something is missed. Okay, so let's put it here. Let's remove those code here and the reference as well. Okay, then slash account slash logout. So this will take me to the logout page. Okay, cool. Okay, so now so on click of the logout, so it will take me to the logout page, so I can able to. Okay, sorry, it is opened in new tab. Yeah, okay, let's run that. Just wait until they reconnect the server. Yeah. Okay, fine. So now I click the logout, so it's taking me to the logout page. So hello at the rate my mail ID and the logout button. So once you click logout, so it will clear my session, and then you can go login, or you can go to the home page. Okay, so far fine. And click of logout, nothing is there because you are successfully logged out of the application already, so that's fine. So in the coming session, how to authorize the pages, and it's not allow me to access the page until unless I have a login credential, that we're going to see in the future video. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay in my channel and please subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video, guys.